Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Easy. Today I'm going to show how to set Premiere Video on your mobile phone. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started guys. So guys, to set the Premiere on your mobile phone, first you need to upload a video. I have a sample 2 seconds video right here. I'll just upload this video to YouTube now. Then type here something random thing, set it as private, then tap on upload. So guys, as you can see, my video is being uploaded now. So guys, here is my video. You just need to tap on share and copy to clipboard. Then after that, open Chrome and paste the link here and tap on search. Then you need to go to edit video option. Make sure you select the desktop site. Then you need to go to edit video. So guys, right here you go to private, visibility is private, then select public and tap on instant premiere. Then or you can schedule it and set it as premiere, or I will show you instant premiere just now, and tap on done and save the changes. So guys, now our video changes have been saved. See guys, as you can see here, it is showing premiere at the premieres at 9:13 AM. As you can see the time, I had set it for instant premiere. The premiere will begin shortly. So guys, as you can see, the premiere has been set successfully. And I'll show you how to schedule video also here now. You just need to go to, there's a pencil mark right here, edit option, then go to public, schedule, then tap on is this 29th, okay, 29th, then you can schedule your video here according to the time, then it will be published by that time. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it, and thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next one.